Hello, and welcome to Global Drain Technologies Partner Portal. This tutorial will cover how to configure some of the key settings that will be required for you to utilize the marketing content in the Partner Portal. Once you log into the portal, you'll be directed to this homepage. Now, I will take you through the key settings that will allow you to utilize all of these resources and features available to you. Navigate to your profile and select Settings. Only users that have the administrator role associated with their account will be able to access and modify some of these settings. You will load on the Manage Users tab. Here, you can modify the roles that are associated with each user. Administrators can modify and configure all account settings. The sales and marketing roles both have access to all pages and features. The roles are here to segment the user's purpose. Any user can be assigned multiple roles. Next is your company profile. The information requested in the Company Details section is designed to help you meet marketing regulations and compliance. It is important to configure your profile as you will not be able to properly utilize some of the marketing features until this section is set up. You must enter a physical address before you can send emails. And it is important to select both the opt-in authorization and unsubscribe options to be compliant with GDPR or CCPA regulations, amongst others applicable to your region. Now, mailing credits. This is designed to help you maintain a healthy sender reputation score. When you send out 50% or more of your monthly limit, you can select the Request Review button. The account will be reviewed, and as long as you are meeting the listed criteria, your limits will be doubled. You can request as many reviews as you need. Next are your social media settings. Here you will add your accounts to the desired social platforms and turn on your social streams. Use this drop-down to switch between company and personal accounts. Company accounts are shared and can be accessed by any team member with the marketing role. Personal accounts are private and can only be managed by you, the individual user. To add an account, simply use the drop-down menu to select the platform and follow the login prompt to connect the account. In the Manage Social Streams section, you can select if you want to ignore posts, automatically publish them, or review them before they are approved or declined. We recommend the Requires Approval option. Next is Notifications. On this tab, you can configure the type and frequency of information you receive based on your campaigns and activity. We recommend keeping supplier email notifications on, as this will allow GDT to communicate with you directly. There are many different features and ways you can configure your settings that we have not covered. It is recommended to take some time to look through the settings and consult the documentation in the Academy as you configure your experience. For additional information, select the question mark icon in the top navigation bar. From there, select Support Portal to access the full article library and learning resources. This tutorial has walked you through some key settings and areas within the Global Drain Tech Partner Portal. See you next time.